Hey, it's Bryan here from Cars in Tillsonburg. This is a special video for you people out there that watch our videos. I know some of you watch and see what we do with some of these vehicles, and we do not take a customer's vehicle and do things with it, burnouts or whatever, unless the vehicle is given to us to do so. A customer says, hey, I don't mind, just, do it, do whatever. So today we have a special film clip for one of our special customers. This vehicle here was recently purchased from us by a gentleman by the name of Dave Charlton from Rodney. Now Dave has plans for this truck. It's a project truck. He wants us to update it with a small block Chev 700 overdrive tranny and a modern drivetrain. So we're going to do that. So in doing that, we said, Dave, like, what do you want us to do with the old engine, transmission, rear end, and tires? And he said, well, I don't know, do whatever you would do with it. So Dave, this is what we're going to do with it. Okay, this is for you, buddy.